First video on playing, well, this is my first time playing Fill the Fridge. I just downloaded this while I was playing the paper.io.2. And yeah, I just thought, oh, that would be so cool to do, right? So I downloaded it, and stuff. So yeah, I just want to try and make this look good, you know, because isn't that what we're supposed to do? Yes, it is. So that's what I'm doing. There we go. Done the top. It looks pretty good, to be honest. Yeah. Oh yay, there's more. Let's do this one. No. There you go. Okay. That's good. Grab stupid ads. No, I'm not getting that game. No thanks. Okay. What is going on here? That was so bad. Done that. And no, I'm not gonna skip this level because it's really good. And yeah. No. There we go. Let's do the cans. There's a lot of cans. Wait. Oh, done that. These ads. Be back when this ad is finished. Okay, it's finished. It was pretty fast, to be honest. What's something else I haven't done? Wait. No. No. Wait, no. Ignore me, I keep on saying no because I don't know why. No. 1, 2, 4. There we go. That looks very organized. I get $100. I get $100. I get $200. Okay, these are what I have to do now. I'll do 2 more after this. Well, I'll do this and then 2 more. Wait, let me just get this part of the fridge. Ew. Who would eat that? No, I will. Ew. That's disgusting. That's just, no. Ew. Disgusting. Get the sprinkles. Get the sprinkles on there. Like, need some sprinkles. Otherwise, I won't eat it. There we go. What's that? Oh, I'm doing this now. I do not know. sort this out. Okay guys, I done that, and that. It's not gonna look good. How old is your brain? I don't really care about this head. Let's skip that. No. There's ink, and then there's something. Yeah, I thought so. There's so much. Why is there so much in the tower? No, I'm not putting X in there. Wait, no. Yes. Sucks. Seriously? I had to wait 30 seconds. Wait that. Oh, I've got no money. How don't I have any money? How don't I? This is so cringy. I'm sorry, guys. I am not this cringy in my lifetime. There's one compartment left, but I don't care. Okay, guys, this is it for today. I forgot to tell you, this was my last one I'm going to do. So this was the last fridge making one. So I hope you guys have a lovely day or night. And yeah. Bye.